Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable window animation scale on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, sir, in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and find the developer options, and the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, go to software information. Okay, tap this. In software information, you can see here the build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The developer mode has been turned on. And okay guys, go back and go back again. And okay guys, now you can see the developer option here in settings. And okay guys, here the developer options below. So you'll have to do is tap this and developer options. Okay, you can see here the quick settings developer tiles. You'll have to do is tap this and quick settings developer tiles. Okay, you can see here the window animation scale. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the window animation scale, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, okay, you can slide from top to bottom. And now you can see here the window animation scale icon. So you can tap this to enable. And okay guys, so you can try the window. So the window is slow motion when you slide. So that's it. So we have successfully enabled the window animation scale on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, so to disable again, you'll have to do is tap again the window animation icon. And after you tap this, okay, we have successfully disabled. So you can turn off the switch button on the right side of this window animation scale to successfully disable the window animation scale on Samsung Galaxy A02. So that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled window animation scale on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.